if you have any custom made furniture, probably you can't find it on SketchUp warehouse, so you have no choice by making them. My suggestion was to bring your furniture, the cabinet, anything that you want to build into a new SketchUp. Why? Because the same problem that I had here. See, I want to just add a door, then how many times I stuck inside the wall. So it kind of slow you guys down, and it's not necessary because you don't need the wall. Hopefully, if you did your AutoCAD drawing, you know, you did it right, you don't need to see the plan anymore. So what I would do, I would open a new SketchUp. Okay, for now I keep it like that. Then I go back to my AutoCAD drawing, and what do I need really to draw that? I need a plan and I need the elevation. So I would use isolate again. Hopefully you did everything in the right layer with one click, one layer. Probably I can select everything that I want. I need the plan of the furniture, and I need the elevation of your furniture. So I just you know, this one could be in different layers, so I select them all, or I don't need that one, I need the doors. So I would select this one, and here you go. So then I would select them. Probably you don't need all of them, I'm not familiar. Maybe you can just select this one, and maybe I do it that way. So Carla, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, this part is which of this one? Is this one?
Yes.
It's this one, yeah, in this one.
Yes.
So, oops.
Do you need to select the hangers also, or it's not important?
No, I just need the doors. See, I didn't select that one, I select this one. If you want to make a detailed furniture, then yeah, you have to add the closet, the shelf, everything. Then you add the door. But I don't think Sharon wants something like that, and it's waste of your time now. So just we need the door, we need the plan, Control C, and I open
Because
it.
on the corner you selected the hangers.
What do you mean?
I mean,
This
you
one?
selected the hangers.
This one?
Yes.
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 I select the layer, and that was part of that layer. It doesn't matter. It won't bother me. I just need the outline. Okay. So then I select Control C. Then I go to a new drawing that it's hopefully empty, not like that. Then I use Control V, and I place them here. So maybe I move them. Oops.
We cannot use one drawing for all the things which we have, like the windows and cabinets and this. We can move it, but is it possible, or it's better to have always one?
I'm not sure if I got it right, but see, for example, I don't need to see the walls here, so I'm not bringing it. I have everything for, I mean, I have my floor, and I mean the wall, floor, everything, and I already did it in a SketchUp. Now I just need the closet. Okay, you can have everything, but it just make your drawing confusing and heavy. That's why we just, if I'm doing the 3D wall, I just bring the wall and windows. If I'm working on the closet, I don't need to see everything. And even you don't need to bring all of your closet. I just want to do this part, so I just bring this part. Okay, so now I save it somewhere that you can find it easily. So closet Carla, save. Then I go to SketchUp. Remember, I open a new SketchUp. It's empty. It's make it much easier for me to work around my object. Okay. Now I go to File, Import, and I go to where you save it. I'm downloading an AutoCAD drawing, so I go to AutoCAD. This one, make sure that it is inches and import, close. Okay, so now what I have to do, I just make my elevation stand and keep the plan on the floor. They are one group. Okay, I have to explode it. So I right click and I explode it, but immediately I would make a group. If you don't make a group, you cannot use it as a guideline. Then all of these pieces, they are pieces and you cannot draw on them. So I need a group of my plan and I need a group of my elevation. So this is a group and this is a group. Okay. Then what I would do, I have to, rotate this elevation. So which axis am I rotating around? Sorry?
Green.
What was the first one?
Green.
No, red. See? This is red. See the red axis is exactly on the red axis. And
that's what I said, red.
Yeah, someone said
No,
red. That's why I said what was the first one. Here, see, from here I go when I see the blue and I click. See, I rotate it around the red. Okay, see, this is red and see it's rotating around the red. Okay, so this is the right direction. I don't know if you want lock it. Okay, then I move this one and I bring it exactly where I need this thing. So I guess where should I go? Maybe I place it here. So I place it here. I hope that, yeah, that's the door, that's the closet. So then again, it's something that you know it better than me. Which part is the kick plate? See, this part is kick plate, how far it should go in. What you can do, you can start with kick plate, okay, and then do the structure, or you do the structure then add the kick plate at the bottom. So for now, because I put it there, so I started kick plate. Kick plate, maybe I draw it from here to here.
Can you ask Mr. Steve to move, please?
Yeah, he is not welcome anymore. So what I would do, I use push-pull tool, and see, because I have the information here, I'm not typing anything. I just match it with this one. I don't know how far you want it to be in. I just go maybe 2 inch for now. It really depends on your design. See, this is one object. I would triple click and I make a group. So now I have my kick plate. Now I need the structure for my, the cabinet. What I can do, I can draw another rectangle on top of it. So see, I draw a rectangle, but see, it's a little bit, it's not in the right place. I can use a scale, grab this line. See, I can scale this one and I match it. See, this structure goes all the way to the door and the door starts in front of it. Okay, so I match it all the way here. It seems, see, I think we have a side panel here too. So probably this structure should go a little bit in. This is, again, it's your design. I'm just guessing. And if you design something, probably you can really decide what you should do. My guess is the structure should be there, so I can add a side panel here, and that's it. Now I just grab this one, pull it to the right height. I don't know, I guess it's here. So here you go, I have the structure. The first thing that I would do, triple click, make a group. if I want to add the detail and everything, I wouldn't bring this one. I would bring the one that I see the inside. Then I make each shelf the same thing that we did for Hania. You add the panel around, you do all the shelves, make a component, copy, copy, copy. Then I bring this one and I add the door on top of them. But in this case, we don't want to waste our time. We just need to see the closet door. So now what I see here, I see a gap here. I don't know. You want a gap between your doors, Carla? Okay. So then I just follow the same steps. First of all, maybe I add this panel because as we can see, we have a panel here. It would cover this part. So what I can do, I can just draw a rectangle from here to here. Then I use push-pull tool and I match it here. So now I have the side panel for this one. Probably you can add some detail. I'm not sure if you have a detail or not. Probably when you use side panel, we have some detail. For now, do you have a detail, Carla? Or it's just solid?
Just 2 inches. And I put a dip.
Okay, so then I use offset this 2 inches. Then I use push-pull tool and I push it. I don't know. We don't have that much room. Point maybe 25, something like that. So this is my side panel. As soon as I'm done, triple click, make a group. Okay. Now I will start my doors. Again, see, I have everything that I need. What I have to do, okay, see in this elevation, yeah, the door is coming and covering that one. So here, from here to here is my first door. Okay, why I did something? No. Oh, how come? Okay. See what's happening here, because see, this is, there is a gap here, so it would be a little bit difficult to draw. What I would do, you know what, I would put it on the surface. I don't know, can you see the thing? Because I want to use this as a guideline and it's a little bit gap. So I would place this one exactly, unlock it, and I move it and I place it. See, it's better maybe I place, you know, place the elevation behind the door, you know, because it's easier. See, I, instead of here, I put the elevation there. It makes it easier to copy it. So then I start the rectangle from here to here. This is my first door. I use push-pull tool and I bring it, again, I just match it with this one. So you don't have any detail, no? Your door is flat. Yes, no?
It's the same details as the 2 inches and then dip.
Okay, so then what I would do, I use offset and I offset 2 inch and I use, oh, I didn't, wait a second. What happened? Okay, push-pull tool here. I bring it here. Okay, see, I bring it to the front of the door. Then I use offset and I offset this 2 inch. Then I use push-pull tool. I don't know, 0.25. So what I want you guys to, you know, do every time that you make any door, I want you guys to add a little bit, I don't know, beveled edge. They call this beveled edge. You need this later on when you are rendering. Again, if I have the same door, see, if I just, you know, have the same door here, here you see the line when you render it, this would be one piece. When you render this, that's what you see. Okay, you see just one big door. So please guys, I mean, if you haven't done it yet, from now on, every time that you have a door, add a little bit beveled edge on it, and it's really simple. See, I need something really small, so I use guideline. I put maybe 0.02. We don't need that much. See, 0.02 is really nothing, but it just gives you a little bit, you know, shadow. Okay, so here 0.02, and I just add a line from here to here. So then, oops, then what I need to do, I need to select my surface. See, I select this one as my path, and I use follow me tool, and I ask SketchUp to use this as, you know, my profile. I don't know why this thing happening, and if I select this one as my path, what would happen? Okay, now it's good. I'm not sure what's happening, but see, now it's good. What I did, I select another rectangle as my path. I don't know why this thing happening here, I'm not sure, but anyway, so now that I have the beveled edge, I have my detail, I triple click and I make a group or make a component. Let me see, I have many of them. So should I make a component? Maybe.
To replace the block component is like a block, right?
Yeah.
I can block it anytime.
Not anytime. You can, but you have to do it right away when you make the object. Otherwise, see, if I don't make a block now and I copy this one and I place it, for example, here, that's the problem that not most of you guys, but people that didn't make a block. See, if I don't make a block and just copy this, now it's kind of impossible to select one of them. Now they are stick together. If I triple click, all of them is selected. If I try to use a window to select one of them, okay, wait a second. So if I delete this, see, I'm losing the whole other door too. So it's really important. You can block anytime, but the correct time is after you finish one piece. Immediately triple click and make a group or component. For now, I would make a group. Then maybe when I add the handle, I make a component. So handle, I don't know, you can find it online. Go to the warehouse, find a handle that you like, place it there, or you can make your handle. Again, I'm not sure what type of handle is this one, but I would just do something simple. Imagine, I know, let me see if I can use this. Last time I show you guys different type of handle. This time I do something like that. So maybe it could be something like this. And to make it more realistic, maybe, you know what, I hide this for now. So I push it maybe a little bit, then I use offset. Okay, so maybe something like that. Then and I bring it here, triple click, make a group. I'm not really you know, doing it right. I just do something that it looks okay. It's not really probably practical, but it's fine. So I go to edit and I'm unhide last. Okay, so now I can just select this one and I place it. I don't know what I can do. I can go to, okay, where is my style? Can change the style, so I see that one. Then I move this one from here. I don't need to copy it, sorry, I just select it, move it from here to there, and then I change the style. So I
group
guess
it. You will not group it.
I did it. I immediately grouped it and I bring it to the top. So I'm not sure. Maybe I put the handle maybe here. Okay. So then when I have these two together, maybe I just go and make a component. Okay. Or you can make a component of that one. Then I would move this one from here, control, because I'm making a copy, and I bring it here. And the easiest way, I would right click and I flip it along red. Okay, so when I have these two, I select both of them and I grab a guide point from here, control, and I place it there. So see, I have this 4. This part I'm not pretty sure, but it might be the same size or no. Let me just try one of them. When I have one door, usually I don't waste my time to go over all the detail. I try my best to just modify them. So for example, I grab this one and I copy it from here to here. Okay, I lock it to the blue and I select this corner. So, oh, it's the same size. The only thing is I have to flip it along blue. So I right click, flip along blue. Okay, now that I know they are all the same, I would copy all of them. So I copy all of them and I grab maybe this corner, press Ctrl to copy. I lock it to the blue direction and I can go select any part of this. And then now they are all selected, they are all perfect. Then I just, with the select tool, right click, flip along blue. And here you go, I have this one. This guy, it's the same probably detail, just different size. So what I would do, this time I go with one of them. I grab one. So I select this corner, press Ctrl, and I go all the way. And I lock it to the blue direction so I can move my hand and show anything on this line. So I'm pretty sure it's in the right place. The only thing is too big. I didn't make a component of my door. So if I go inside the door, oh, but I make a component of all of them. So I have no choice, but how can I make it change one of my component without changing all of them? Select, right click, no. Right click, make unique. Okay, now it's a unique component. It's a still component. If I copy it, they all would change. From now on, if I copy this one, they all would change. Okay, but it's not affecting the previous one because I made a unique. So I go inside this one, and the easiest way to modify this one, I'm not changing the scale, because if I change the scale, it would change the thickness of my frame, the molding. See, it looks really weird. This is thick, this is thin. So how can I do that? I go inside the group, I open a window like this. Remember, not crossing. I open a window like that. What I did with this window, I select this surface and I select this surface. Now if I move this, see, I'm moving just to that two surface, but because in SketchUp everything is stick together, the line and everything that's connected to that, they are moving, and it make it really the same size that I want. So I just show anything on this, I lock it to the blue so I can move my hand, and I show a SketchUp that, you know what, I wanted to bring it to this height. Then I click. So then I click outside. It looks good. The only thing is, it seems this handle, because you want to be reachable, I have to bring it a little bit lower. So I go inside the group, I grab this one, and this time I just do eyeball it, I don't really. Okay, so this is this. Then I select one, grab this corner, control, and I place it at the end of this one. Then what I have to do, right click, fill it along. I'm not sure, red or green. Yeah, red. Okay, here you go. Now I have these two. I select them both and I copy from here. I mean, move them, press Ctrl to copy from here to here. So I have three. Hopefully if the right's the same size, so I just put X2. So yeah, I copied that one there. So I'm done with this part. The only thing is missing is this one. So as you can see, it's the same size. I mean, the width is the same, the height is not the same. So what should I do? Maybe I just copy again. I would copy one of them. I copied this one from this corner, maybe from this line, Control, and I copied all the way to the end of this. It's a component. If I modify it, these guys would change. So what I should do, select, right click, make unique. Exploding a group of...
Kiraj, why
Yes.
you didn't copy the two?
Why?
Why,
Because it's a
sorry, why you didn't copy the top and the bottom at the same time? Because it is the same size.
top and bottom. Which
Yeah, you
one?
showed it to us before, and
You mean
not,
why didn't select this and this together?
yeah, and the down also. No,
And
no, no.
this one?
Yeah, this, yeah, this and this and this and this.
Because this is not the same door. This door is full height.
Oh,
Yeah, that's why I just bring one of them and I have to modify it. That's why I make a unique. I select, right click, make a unique. Then it's the same thing. I go inside the group. I open a window like that. When I select the open, I mean, I'm selecting this surface and this surface. If I go to move and I grab anything on this point, I lock it to the blue, so I can easily say I can move my hand anywhere and it's coming with me. And I go and check, I I match it with this door. So now I have it the same height as what I wanted. The handle is in the right place, kind of. So the only thing that I have to do, select it, go to the move, and I copy again, maybe from here, Control to, so I place it side by side, and the only thing is I have to, with the select tool, right click and flip it along. Red, yeah, here you go. So now I have this cabinet completely. I would select it and I make a group. So oops, I select this one by mistake too. Explode, I don't need that line. I delete it. So I select this one and I make a group